Let us begin with the exercises of chapter 16. The first exercise: complete the sentences using the simple present tense of the given verbs. These are the verbs which are given in a box. The boy bathes in cold water. Remember, as I have taught you, for singular noun in a sentence, we use S or ES. But for plural, we do not use S or ES. Okay? We keep the verb as it is. The boy bathes in cold water. The girls run in the stadium. The artist paints pictures. The birds fly in the sky. The baby cries when it is hungry. The man eats his dinner on time. The dog barks at night. We sleep at night. Second exercise: choose the correct verbs to complete the sentences. Out of these two options are given in each sentence. We have to choose the correct one and write in the blank. Tapan plays with his sister. Tapan is singular. We have used S. Our teachers sit in this room. Our teachers is plural noun. So we have used sit. The stars twinkle at night. I like to listen to music. With I we do not use K. With I we do not use ES. So I will accompany with like. Like. Okay. They shop in this market. This author writes ghost stories. My father bakes cakes. Birds live in nests. Coming to the third exercise, C. Fill in the blanks using the present continuous tense of the given verbs. With each sentence, verbs are given. You have to use it and make a sentence which will be in present continuous tense form. I am speaking on the phone. They are running to catch the bus. She is dancing before the audience. Manu is looking for his lost pen. The horse is galloping on the field. The dogs are chasing the cat. The dustbin is lying in the corner. I am walking on the pavement. Coming to the D exercise. First one has been done for us. Rewrite the sentences using the present continuous tense of the verb. First one has already been done. Seema cuts the cake. Seema is cutting the cake. She cries loudly. She is crying loudly. The boy runs fast. The boy is running fast. A magician shows magic tricks. Answer: a magician is showing magic tricks. The teacher teaches the students. The teacher is teaching the students. Money sings well. Money is singing well. Tom throws a stone in the pond. Tom is throwing a stone in the pond. Coming to the last exercise, exercise E. Rewrite the sentences using the simple present tense of the verb. Rama is driving the blue car. Rama drives a blue car, which has already been done for us. I am drinking soup. I drink soup. I am visiting my pen pal in Indore. I visit my pen pal in Indore. Babita is performing on stage. Babita performs on stage. Babita performs on stage. Number 5. Many girls are playing in the park. Many girls play in the park. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites fly in the sky. Number 7. The cat is running after the mouse. The cat runs after the mouse. People are playing songs at the festival. People play songs at the festival. Okay? Each sentence you have to listen properly, see from the video and do in your book with a pencil. Your writing should be clear and your work should be complete. Thank you.